Jai Jai Ram Krishna Hari. Today it is a very important day in the city of Pune as Sant Tukaram Maharaj and Sant Yaneshwaram Maharaj Palki has been arrived in the city. Right now, as you can see over here, every year lack of Varkaris walk for many days to reach Pandharpur. They sing devotional songs and pray to Lord Vitthal. As you can see behind me, this temple is beautifully decorated with flowers, lights, and traditional decorations to welcome the Varkaris. Many devotees have already reached here, and the atmosphere is fully of joy and devotion. If you look around, you can see Varkaris wearing white clothes and Gandhi caps. Many of them have walked for several days to reach Pune. Despite the rain, their faith and devotion remain strong. You can also see many police officers and the security staff is over here. They are helping to manage the crowd and making sure everyone is safe across the city because lakhs of devotees are expected today. Along with this, as we can see, even police personnel is being seen here over here, and even the barricades have been put over here. As you can see, everything is taken in a proper way. As you can see, many Varkari have been reached over here, as we can see from the many parts of this like from the parts of the Maharashtra city. As we have seen, the Asadi Wari is one of the Maharashtra's biggest religious traditions. People from different places come together with one goal to pray Lord Vitthal and continue this beautiful tradition. As you can see, you can oversee here the temple is beautifully decorated with the lights and the posters of Vitthal Maharaj over here, and even we can see that police personnel has been seen over here. Along with that, even we can see the people and the police officers and the security staff over here. They are helping to manage the crowd, as I mentioned earlier. Even we can see the barricades over here, and even this, as we have seen many people and the Varkaris come from Parbhani, Lathur, and other parts of the Maharashtra city. As we have seen, Asa Diwali is one of the Maharashtra's biggest religious traditions where people come together and get unite and celebrate this devotion in the faith of Lord Vitthal. As we have seen, more devotees are expected to arrive as the day goes on, and now, as we have seen, now the Pune will also witness this festival, as we have seen this entire. And if we talk about this, like Pune is already ready to welcome them and over here, and we will also bring you the updates from the ground as soon as the Palki reaches Pune. And as you know, the Punekars are already set for this big day. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.